In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail not receiving emails from Outlook. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring you understand not just the how, but also the why behind these actions. So let's dive right in. First, we need to check the spam folder in your Gmail account. Open Gmail on your device. It's important to do this because sometimes emails from Outlook can accidentally end up in the spam folder. This is a common occurrence as email filters might flag certain messages incorrectly. By checking the spam folder, we ensure that no emails are being mistakenly blocked. With Gmail open, look for the spam folder in the menu on the left side of your screen. If you don't immediately see it, click on More to expand your options. This is crucial because the spam folder holds emails that Gmail suspects might be unwanted. Once you have located it, go ahead and click on Spam. This will open the folder and display any emails that have been marked as spam. Next, scan through the emails in your spam folder. Look specifically for any emails from Outlook. It's possible that emails you were expecting have been mistakenly routed here. Take your time to go through the list. Sometimes important emails can get lost among others, so it's worth being thorough. If you find an email from Outlook in the spam folder, select it by clicking on the small checkbox next to the email. This action is important because it allows you to manage the email and change its classification. Once selected, you will enable further actions to be taken on this email. After selecting the email, the next step is to click on the Not Spam button. You can find this option at the top of your Gmail interface. By clicking Not Spam, you are telling Gmail that this particular email is safe and should not be treated as spam in the future. This is a key step because it helps train Gmail's spam filter to better recognize emails from Outlook as legitimate. You should see a confirmation message appear after you click Not Spam. This confirmation lets you know that your email has been successfully moved out of the spam folder. Now it should appear in your regular inbox. This ensures that future emails from Outlook are less likely to be misclassified. At this point, you've successfully checked and corrected any misrouted emails. By following these steps, you not only resolve the immediate issue but also improve your Gmail account's future email management. This entire process might seem simple, but it plays a significant role in ensuring that you don't miss any important communications. Remember, regularly checking your spam folder can prevent similar issues from arising down the line. It's a small habit that can save you a lot of time and stress. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you stay on top of your emails. If you continue to experience issues, consider exploring Gmail's help resources for more advanced troubleshooting.